So today you're gonna learn how to make one pot spaghetti and meat sauce. And this is really great for college because you only need one pot and like a spatula and some measuring stuff. It's pretty cheap to make. It stores really great. It reheats in the microwave pretty well, making this a perfect college dinner. So first you're going to heat a large pot on high heat. But we have a gas stove, so pretty much every setting is high. So I'm putting it on low, but you should do high because you have an electric stove. So heat that up. Once the pot is hot, take your beef. The higher the percentage, the better, and put it in. We're also going to sprinkle in some of our salt with the beef. So then we are also going to add our onions that we chopped and garlic. So this is minced garlic that we buy in a can already. And it's fresh, it's just pre-minced, and it saves a lot of time and a lot of money because it keeps in the refrigerator for so long. So this is a must-have. With the garlic, we need 3 cloves, and it'll say here, a half teaspoon equals approximately 1 clove. So we're gonna need 3 of those. And that's all you need to do, is scoop it out with a teaspoon. So in this next step, we're going to add crushed tomatoes or your favorite marinara sauce. Ours is Wow's. 2 cups of water. And basil leaves, we got ours fresh. I actually have basil planted outside. But you can even buy this at the supermarket. And you're gonna tear it, just tear it with your fingers into the pot. And then we're going to add the spaghetti, but I'll show you how we do that. So first is the tomato. So once all of those are in the pot, you're gonna take your spaghetti and you're actually gonna break it in half and make sure that it's covered by all of the liquid. So we're gonna break this in half and then we're gonna cover it with all the liquid and then we're gonna put a lid on it. And we're gonna cook it for 17 to 20 minutes or until like some of that extra liquid has dissipated and spaghetti is all done. This is what it's looking like. Cover it and cook for 17 to 20 minutes.